Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Stripe account for non-US resident in 2025. Creating a Stripe account as a non-US resident is possible and relatively straightforward. Stripe support many countries, but some regions have additional requirements. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you set up an account successfully. Step 1 is checking Stripe availability. So for that, you have to visit this website stripe.com/global. And here you can see their global availability for Stripe. And Stripe currently support 46 countries and with more coming soon. If Stripe is not support directly in your country, you should consider using Stripe Atlas for business registration in US. So this is the website. So all you have to do is click on this, and in the meantime let me tell you what documents you need to prepare. You need to prepare a valid government issue ID, passport and national ID or driver license, proof of address, business information like sole partnership or company registration details if applicable. For non-unsupported countries, you can register a legal entity in a Stripe support country like using the Stripe Atlas to register your business in US. So once you're in your Stripe website and you click registration, all you have to do is enter your email and then create your account. So I'm doing this. So now I am done providing all my information, and now I'm going to click create account. And after that you will reach the Stripe dashboard. Now all you have to do is verify your email by opening your Gmail. So clicking the verify Gmail button, this will redirect your Gmail account. So now all you have to do is click on verify email. Once verified, you will start show this page. All you have to do is now start your company. So let's go. Now all you have to do is to start entering your company's information and founder details. Stripe Atlas will find your EIN and 83B election automatically. Just follow the prompts, enter your structure name, descriptions, ownership roles, tax ID, and then sign the form. Complete all the steps carefully to successfully set up your Stripe Atlas account. After this, you will be able to use Stripe even in countries where Stripe is not directly available. Next, add your bank account. Your bank must support international payment and use a Stripe support currency. For unsupported country, use service like TransferWise or Wise Payoneer. US-based virtual banks like Mercury or Stripe Atlas banking partner. Add your bank details such as IBAN or SWIFT code. Make sure the bank account name matches your Stripe account name. Upload the required documents during the Stripe Atlas sign up and ensure all the information matches your legal ID and bank details. So, provide any additional info about your business if asked, and like expected transaction volumes or product types, and run a test payment using Stripe test environment to make sure your account works. Once everything is verified, integrate Stripe with a website, e-commerce platform, or mobile app. Important tips for unsupported countries that use Atlas to establish a US-based business and bank account. Make sure to compile the tax regulation in your home country. If your country is in the Stripe Global Availability list, then Simply go to New tab, type EST Stripe sign up, and click sign up. Then create your Stripe account by entering your email, full name, password, and selecting your country if you're outside the US. If you see a warning about invite only sign up, then click request invite link. Enter your work email and country, then wait for Stripe to send you an invite email. Then click the link in that email to finish the sign up. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.